I'm facing the bottle for all of my problems. These Instagram models are nothing but trouble. She going away now, I'm going full throttle. All these Instagram models, I said they're nothing but trouble.
When I met her, she was out for love. Yeah, I bought her leather and some diamond studs. Damn, when I met her, she was not lit up. Fuck it, I say whatever, cause I'm not a judge. No, all my niggas said she not was up. I considered it, but not enough. She just wanted to be popular. She just want 10,000 followers. She posted. They like it, repost it. She party promoting, she hosting. She posing, legs open, provoking, they got my head smoking. I try to act like I don't notice. Emotions, Lord.
I'm facing the bottle for all of my problems. These Instagram models are nothing but trouble. She going away now.
Now it's over.
I'm going for throttle.
You drive me crazy.
All these Instagram models, I said they're nothing but trouble.
I had to leave that hoe alone and get my mind right. I had to go talk to my friends, I had to find Christ. Lord, I had to open up my eyes and find light. I was so green and all she wanted was that limelight. Lord, I was so blinded by her highlights. She had me not checking my DMs, neither my likes. Oh, what you modeling, man? Knock yourself out. Open my heart to you when you lock yourself out, girl. When I met her, she was pass it up, yeah. In the section, holding bottles up. She just wanted to be popular. She just want 10,000 followers.
I should've known from the very start. You wouldn't have to my foolish heart. You got the world thinking you're a star. Oh, you're not who you say you are. I'm dying, girl. I'm facing the bottle.
I'm sipping a lot and I'm ripping a lot, but I'm coping. I'm too open.
These Instagram models
I don't let it.
are nothing but trouble. She gone away now.
Now it's over.
I'm going for throttle.
Got me crazy.
All these Instagram models, I said they're nothing but trouble.
Tiene una boring over there.